Good morning, everyone. This is C7, the HOA Homesteader, and today I'm going to be doing my first inspection since installing the two queens. What I'm going to be looking for in the original Hive, because on the original Hive what I have is the deep box, a queen excluder, and a super on top. So if that kept the queen from getting up top, then that top should be mostly honey. But just looking at it over the past few weeks, it still seems like there's an enormous amount of bees inside there. So I may have to remove the super, remove the queen excluder, add a additional box so the queen will have room to go up there and lay eggs. Of course, during this inspection, I'm looking for the regular things. First of all, did the new queens adapt to the hive? Are they still alive in there? And are they being productive? Are they laying eggs? So even if I have trouble spotting the queen, I still should be able to see eggs and larvae inside of those hives. So that's what I got planned today. I need to go outside and get everything set up. And when I do, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. And in advance, thank you guys for visiting my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you like my videos, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share the videos, and most of all, hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. All right, let me go out there and get things set up, and then I'll be right back with you guys. All right, people, I believe I'm ready. I got everything set up. The plan is to start with the smaller hive first and work my way over to this larger hive. So with that said, let's get to it. On this hive, I have it actually facing towards the bushes. Even from the last time, or every time I come out, these bees seem far less aggressive. So that's what I'm looking for. A little smoke. Checking my top cover for the queen. Checking my cloth. I only got one small hive beetle on here. But I got one. Smoked hive. There's a lot more bees in here than I was expecting to see. It looks like when I'm looking at it from the front, it's just like it's not that much activity compared to this other hive. But now that I've went under, opened it up, there's a lot of bees in here. So I'm going to go straight for the center. First of all, I'm going to take out the capsule that the queen is in. She was successfully released because it is empty. Like I said, they
chewed through it, got the sugar out, and released that queen. It's another frame in the center of the hive that didn't have any wax on it, and they haven't really done much with it. So I'm going to shake these bees off. Set this frame to the side. I'm going to replace that frame with one of the frames that are pre-waxed. Well, I see brood. I see larvae. So therefore the queen is doing her job, whether I spot her today or not. She's working. We got a bunch of brood frames. We got honey on this frame. We got pollen on this frame. I definitely have an easier time seeing the larvae more than I do a stick egg. But I'm still getting used to what I'm looking for. Back in, my friend. Thought I saw a bee with a broken wing, and that's not a good thing. Okay, plenty of brood. Plenty of brood. A lot of honey. Lots and lots of brood on this one. And this is second from the end. Yet to find the queen, but that's not necessarily important as long as I see larvae, cat brood, and there's more bees in there than I thought, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the additional box, folks. So in doing so, I'm gonna add my queen excluder. Box. I'm still going to need to use this frame because I only got just enough. This came out of a deep. What I'm thinking. I got some on my patio still. I'll be right back, folks. I didn't even realize I put a small frame in a deep box. There we go. Made a couple of mistakes. Go ahead, reintroduce my small hive beetle trap. I'm getting them two kind of ways, this way and on the cloth. I'm just going to set this up now because I may transfer a frame from this hive that has a lot of honey over to this top one to get them guys to get to going. I heard that helps. It's a boost. All right. The problem hive. But not today. Let's hope that some of the old bees already took to the pheromone of the new queen and They are a lot calmer than they used to be. The queen shouldn't be up here because I got a queen excluder on it, but it never hurts to look. Smoke them a little bit. They are packed juicy tight in this thing. What I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to take one of these ones that's full of honey and move it next door. Now I'm ready to seal this one up. Okay, I know this top is all honey. I got a queen excluder. I'm not going to inspect this. I'm just going to move it to the side. Get down in that bottom box and look for some activity from the queen. Got to make sure the queen isn't on here before you place this thing on the ground. Now this has a ton of small hive beetles. So a swifter sweep, dry, unscented towel catches small hive beetles. The second queen capsule, empty. She was released. As you guys can see, I don't have thousands and thousands swarming my head. I'm extremely happy right now. I'm going to the center, and really, folks, the only thing I'm worried about is seeing some brood, some larvae, and then I'm going to close this one back up too. Honey, brood, larvae, she is going to town. And now they getting active. Really a full inspection. I just want to make sure the queens was released, that she's laying eggs. All right, the thump of my hands. We're going to see if they follow me back. To the patio. All right, people. I am done. I'm about to clean this up out here, and I'll be back with you guys with some closing remarks on the patio. So see you in a few.
Also that as far as the bees following me, after somewhere between, I'll say 20 and 40 feet, they kind of backed off, which is good. But on the way to the patio, I noticed maybe about 5 to 6 following me. I think 3 was able to get inside the patio. And now that I'm inside, I see about 4 or 5 just buzzing around the patio. But I'll take that. I'll take that any day. And each week, that behavior should get less and less. And that's well, family, that's it for today. It wasn't going to be a real thorough inspection. You know, I'm still wanting those bees to adapt to the behavior of the new queen or die off. So the goal was to see if the queens were released and see if they're doing their job, if they're laying eggs, and do I see larvae and brood. And I saw all of those things. So, and the original hive is full of so much bees and honey. I went ahead and added another super, but I made it part of the bottom. So I only still got one honey super box on that original hive, because I went 2 boxes queen excluder and then the one that they were putting the honey in. So that gives her more room to lay even more eggs since there's so many in there. And I think that's about it. I'm pretty pleased. And with the first hive, I was shockingly pleased that to see so many bees in there, because from the outside, it just didn't seem as they was as active as the original hive. But there's plenty of bees in there, so I went ahead and added a honey super on that box with the queen excluder in the middle, as you guys saw. So with that said, that's it for today. That's it. That is it for today. And I thank you guys for visiting my channel. You guys have been with C7, the HOA homesteader. Oh, and let me get to this. Please, people, if you enjoy my video, hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel. Share the video with a friend. And most of all, don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you'll be one of the first to see my videos. So, let's get to that motto. Just because you may live in a HOA doesn't mean that you cannot grow food or take care of bees. See you on the next video, and I'm out.